guys, today I'm unboxing the Sony ZV-1F. The audio on this original video got fucked up, so I'm voiceovering it. I don't even know, like a radio wave ruined the video. I don't know how it happened, but I did get this at Best Buy. I paid for it with my own money. I used Afterpay, and it was $544.36 after taxes and everything. This is the newest Sony camera to have come out, and I've seen so many YouTubers already talk about it, but I haven't seen people who weren't sponsored or sent to do it. So I was like, okay, let me do my own video. It comes with a bunch of papers that, like, let's be honest, we're never going to read again. I was going to show you all of them, and I'm like, no one's going to read that. So this is how the inside of the box looks. It's crazy how small these boxes have gotten in the last few years. So here's the, like, wind dust dead mouse for this, and you just put it onto the shotgun, and you can just, it helps if you're in any wind or anything. Here's the charger, is USB Type-C, and it also works for if you want to use it as a webcam. And there's the battery at the bottom, which I'm like, why is it all the way at the bottom? It's all these were in like nice like fabric like bags, which I enjoy that. Here's the battery. It is the NPBX1. This helps know if you want to get any spare batteries in the future or replace them. This is the main character. The camera, it's so cute, so small, so like, it's so adorable. Like, it's white. I got the white version, and I'm so excited that I got the white version, and they had a white version. It's so cute. Like, look at how beautiful the white looks. And it's also a different color than like my desk, if you see like the comparison. Here's how it looks if you put like the muff thing on. And I was kind of scared that it wouldn't be able to come off, but it did come off pretty easily, even with my nails. I did have problems turning this on, though. I still do. It's really hard to turn it on and off, especially with my nails. And I even have like the longest nails, but it's kind of hard. Here's how the like lens looks. The lens looks really weird as pancake. You can't change it at all, but I do have multiple different cameras, so it's not a problem that I can't change it. And now we're going to go into the setup of this camera. When you turn on the camera, it does give you a QR code to set it up. Honestly, you don't have to, but it makes it a whole lot easier. It makes this process like so much faster, because if you're going to use it back and forth, because this is supposed to be like a very social media, like I could use this even for TikTok type of camera. It's really just smarter to just set it up through there. Also, because you're setting it up through the app, you don't only have to think about like the time and the thing, like the annoying parts of setting up a camera, because like you want the time to be perfect, but it's not gonna ever be perfect, and it's always like a second or two off, but it won't happen if you do it through the app. And it was just like it's just annoying that like it turns out black, like the picture is black even though I got a white one, but that's fine. Now I'm going to show you some footage I filmed on this camera. This is the set, like the way it comes. I didn't change anything about it, but I did accidentally put it in like slow-mo. I don't even know how that happened, but it's like I have nails. The buttons, I don't know, like it's easy to accidentally press it, but also not press the buttons you want to press when you want to press it, which sounds really stupid, but like it's like nail girlies, it might be a little hard for us. I'm just letting you guys know. See more of the footage I will be uploading is as its own vlog, my Halloween vlog, so you can check that out. This clip I'm going to show you is with the built-in mic. I did my hair, it's how it looks. It's nice and straight now. Outro for this. So thank you for watching this video. I honestly recommend this camera, but I will be doing another review in a few months, because obviously I don't know how, like, the flaws and stuff. I just started using it, so